Let's listen to an expert doctor for hypertension in young population along with coronary artery disease and higher heart rate. Can be sure of happy heart. Today we have with us Dr. Priyanka Garg, consultant physician, MD Medicine, current working as consultant at Ujala Cygnus Hospital, Kurukshetra. Doctor, how do we define hypertension and when should we conclude that the person has hypertension?
Hi, I'm Dr. Priyanka Garg. I'm a consultant physician and I'm currently working as a consultant at Cygnus Hospital, Kurukshetra. So, hypertension is defined as a blood pressure of 140 millimeters mercury or more, or a diastolic blood pressure of 90 millimeters mercury or more, or if the patient is taking any antihypertensive medication and it is staged into pre-hypertension or stage 1 or 2, and depending on that, the patient is given treatment. Only one reading cannot be the person cannot be defined as hypertensive if only one reading is more than 140 and the other readings are lesser than that. So we need at least high blood pressure on two different occasions, usually on 2 different days.
Can high blood pressure be completely cured?
Hi, I'm Dr. Priyanka Garg. I'm a consultant physician and I'm currently working as a consultant at Cygnus Hospital, Kurukshetra. So as such, there is no cure for primary hypertension. But yes, lifestyle changes like regular exercise, a good diet like high fiber fruit rich diet, weight maintenance, or there should be a good BMI, limiting salt intake, stopping smoking like smoking cessation, and taking your antihypertensive medications regularly. Yes, that can help maintain normal blood pressure for life. But there is no as such cure for primary hypertension. Secondary, there are rare causes which causes secondary hypertension like thyroid and other endocrinal causes. Yeah, for that there can be a complete cure if that underlying cause is treated.
Has there been a recent increase in incidence of hypertension and heart attack among young patients? If yes, what could be the underlying cause?
Hi, I'm Dr. Priyanka Garg. I'm a consultant physician and I'm currently working as a consultant at Cygnus Hospital, Kurukshetra. So yes, the incidence of hypertension and heart attack that is definitely increased among young patients, including those in the 20s or 30s. Actually, high blood pressure makes our heart muscles thicken and they harms our blood vessels. So that increases our risk of heart attack. Also, many other factors contribute like diabetes, overweight, obesity, substance abuse, alcohol, smoking. So they are all the causative factors for increasing incidence of heart attacks in young adults.
Public awareness initiative by Glenmark Pharmaceuticals.